Alright guys, so today we'll be removing this. I'm not sure what it's called. I've seen people call it an intake resignator, but no clue. So what you need to do is first take off your bumper, then you come around, you take off these two 10 mils, which are right there, and then you have one clip inside the fender liner, which is right there. Then you wiggle around. This has to pop off, and then you have to take this whole tray to get to those two clips. So for the tray, there are 6 of these ugly clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to make sure you don't break them, just in case if you don't have any. So to remove the tray, you lift this up, and you kind of have to wiggle it out. And then just go ahead and set this aside. And then now you have these two. And just in case if you do break any of them on the tray, you could probably use these two as replacements. But these haven't been off on the car, so they're really fragile, so just be careful. So upon further inspection, there's another 10 mil bolt right there, which holds in all this hose, which connects to this. So since the 10 mil's right by the coolant hose, just be really careful if your car's at operating temp, because the hose will burn you. So just take it easy, put a rag or something in between your arm and the hose. So as you can see, got to be careful for that, because that's what's getting stuck right now. So I'm just gonna say yeet and kick it. There she goes. So I forgot about this piece. This should just wiggle out, but of course it won't be easy. So give me 1 second. Okay, so what we had to do was remove the battery strap, which was 2 10s, then the cover, the battery, then we removed that plate, which was connected to this. So now what we're gonna have to do is remove this bracket connected to the positive side, and that should be a 10 mil. So once you got this unscrewed, put the bolt somewhere so you don't lose it. This bracket slides up, push it out of the way kinda, and then just keep trying to wiggle with this. Watch out for these lines. I'm not sure what they are. Expensive, I'll tell you that. Just be careful with them. Enough. So I tried to remove these. Those weren't coming up. So what I did, have a second person handy, lift up on this side and this side, and then have your girlfriend or a buddy shake this out. And then here goes the rattlesnake that was caught in the car. Now I'll clean this up a bit, and then we'll start putting everything back together. So after we installed everything, I just decided to go ahead and take the intake from there, put it down there. So all we did, I got this kit from eBay for another car, but I wrecked it. So when installing a aftermarket intake, there's 3 clips on the box. You got bolts on here. Sorry, I had this off. And just disconnect the hose, the PVC, then you put this on with that, the hose clamps, just like on there. When you mess with the MAF, unplug it, but before you unplug it, remove the negative terminal on the battery, and be very gentle with this. After that, we snaked the other part into here. This I'll cut off sturdy, and then now it's just putting everything back together. So we put the bumper back on. Everything, make sure you connect your fog lights if you have them. That's how that looks, and thanks for watching.